All right, what's up, traders? Let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to use volume as your primary indicator, okay? No matter what asset class you guys trade, whether you trade Forex, whether you trade futures, whether you trade stocks and options, I'm telling you, man, volume can be detected in all of those markets. It's very easy to do that if you know what you're doing. Okay, for all you long-term subscribers out there, you already know what the volume indicator can do for you. And for all you guys that had my volume indicator today, you absolutely killed it today, right? This is from today. It's a lovely Thursday. Beautiful trading session. Heck, it's been a beautiful week. But I'm going to start this video, guys, by just kind of educating you on why having a volume indicator is important, right? And I think I touched upon this on a video I did a couple days ago. Look, man, here's the truth. If you do not get the direction right, no matter what you trade, okay, whether you're using Forex indicators, futures indicators, stock indicators, like, it doesn't matter, right? At the end of the day, if you don't know how to get the market direction right, then you ain't going to make any money trading. You could pick any symbol in the world, Forex, futures, stocks, it's not going to matter because you haven't been able to get the direction right. You know what I'm saying? And so what I personally like, and I hope you guys who are actively using this every day, what I hope you also like about this is it's just clean, man. Right? I mean, again, like I said, this is from today, no cherry picking. This is from 2 days, full session. Look at what the volume did. All right. And for those of you guys that don't know, if this might be the first time you're watching anything to do with volume indicators, this is a volume indicator that gets overlaid onto your chart. And all it does is change colors whenever it predicts a certain market direction. Okay. Which is why I said just a few seconds ago, getting the direction right in your trading is the #1 job you have as a trader, right? And I suspect that a lot of you guys already know that. You're just not doing anything about that information, right? Because you're probably trading your candlestick charts, your Bollinger Band indicators, all these nonsense indicators. Look, I'm going to tell you this right off the bat to start this video. Volume is all you need. Okay? Once you start using a volume indicator, you can't go back to using any of this other nonsense like Bollinger Bands or stochastics or all this crap that these amateurs are showing you out there, right? Volume just works. And again, what I like about volume is it's so clean to identify the direction. All right? Now I got a good one here for you guys, especially if you guys that might be sitting on the sidelines or you're still confused on what volume is and how it can help you. All right, I got a good one here for you. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to be a little bit more selective with your entries and bypass a lot of false signals. So let's get into it here. This is, again, today's session, guys. I hope you killed it today. You can see that the volume turned green here at approximately 7:15 in the morning. All right. In fact, let me go ahead and isolate that area. You see that right there? Guys, this is your clue. All right. This is your clue that a new direction has potentially started. Okay. Now, why is that important? Well, that's important because we were in a pretty significant downtrend. You can see right here, the volume turned red right over here, right? This was a huge downtrend from the previous session. And so for all you guys who were, either just simply waiting for a trend change because you missed this beautiful short trade, or you're just kind of sitting around, trying to take a stab. Maybe you're a bottom caller. Again, nothing wrong with that, as long as you wait for confirmation that the market does in fact plan to start going up, right? Meaning that the sellers are exhausted. And right in this section over here, guys, what the volume indicator told you is that right over here, the sellers were kind of done with the selling, and there were more buyers that were exerting pressure on the bid and the ask. That's all that volume does, guys. And again, yes, all markets, Forex, futures, and stocks, this can be detected. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. All right? But let me get to the good stuff right now, okay? What I'm going to show you right now is going to blow your mind. Watch this. I'm going to show you how to only pay attention to qualified setups. And there's only one rule, okay? Just one rule, one line that I'm going to explain to you right now, okay? So guys, when the volume indicator turns green, and if you want to, possibly stay out of a lot of chop and consolidation, and you're a little bit more conservative of a trader than I am, right? I'm very aggressive with my technical analysis. It just works for me. But I do fully recognize that a lot of you guys out there are very conservative with your trading, as you should be, right? You only want to pay attention to the best setups. I mean, why would you want to pay attention to an inferior setup, right? We only want to look at the superior setup. So watch this, all right? I'm getting to the good stuff right now. When the volume turns green, what you could do is just keep your eyes open for matching reversal bars. Makes sense? And what that will do is it will allow you to kind of bring a little bit of confluence in your trading. What does confluence mean? Well, what confluence means is you are looking for several things, not just one, right? You're looking for several things to line up in the market in the direction that you plan to trade in. And if all those things match up, then and only then would you take an entry, right? So essentially, step one here in this process is we wait for the volume to change colors, right? It was red for such a long stretch here, and then kaboom, it turns green. Now, if you're using Confluence, which is what I'm showing you here, we also want to wait for this green reversal bar to print on the chart. And that's it, right? Guys, this is not complicated. I've shown you a powerful strategy in 30 seconds. What about what I just said was complicated or confusing, right? All I said was wait for the color change and then wait for a matching reversal bar. I didn't say anything else. There's only 2 items on my list of Confluence, okay? Now you guys can have, more than 2. You may want to wait for other indicators to flash green or whatever else you're doing. Maybe even trend lines might be a good solution. But look, man, I have been messing around with this, right? I've been messing around with my own back testing and stuff. And guys, what I can tell you is that if you integrate this into your trading method or your trading strategy, and you already have a good understanding of risk reward, right? Your risk profiles are generally pretty good anyway. Then I'm telling you, man, this method of just using 2 items as your Confluence, it's a game changer. Why do I say that? Well, if I zoom out here, right, and we see how this trade played out, I mean, just look at this massive, massive winner. Okay? Guys, this was 500 ticks or 500 pips if you're following along with Forex. Just think about that. 500 pips and ticks in a single session on a single symbol, okay, using nothing more than a simple volume color-coded indicator. And you want to know something else that's fascinating? Watch this. If you were late to the party, right, if you missed this green reversal bar that printed at exactly 7:58, right? What you could do, and as long as you recognize you're a little bit late to the party and the next, sequence of trades are not going to be as good as the first one, all right? As long as you recognize and understand that, then what you could do is look for other reversal bars, right? That one worked. How about this one? Both of these worked. How about all of this? This one worked, this one worked, this one worked, this one. Guys, it is liberating and just such a great feeling when you can compile an easy, comprehensive, simple strategy that you can learn and you can master in a day, okay? There's not one data point that I've shown you in this video that you couldn't master in just a couple of hours. I've intentionally programmed all of my software to be so simple that even a 6-year-old could onboard this software and potentially have success with this after some practice, right? For all you guys that were trading today, definitely hope you were looking at the Russell today. The Russell was on fire. All markets, guys, Forex, futures, stocks. It's a beautiful world we live in, guys. If you're serious about trading, you're passionate about the markets, get involved, get off the sidelines, and learn how volume can potentially change your life. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.